My name is SABI girl, and my mama be this. I dey always help am sell her food, and this na my strategy wey I dey use help am. Even if say you no wan buy our food, by the time wey SABI girl go carry her radio dance around, no be person go tell you make you patronize us. You must like am and you must buy am. Like this now, we move.
Madam, people can you hear now your money first. Money. And your salad. 600. What the SABI change.
Hey, SABI girl.
Madam, 200.
Salad.
Yeah.
Who's on salad?
Yes, ma'am.
Salad.
Babu, you are salad.
Yeah, hello. I'm on my way as we speak. Tell them to wait. Okay, yes. Yes, I'll soon be there. The clients are on their way too. Okay. Wow, baby girl.
Good morning.
Good morning, my love. What is for me? Where do I start? Look at that. Look at that. What do we have here? Look at that. Ouch.
Sir.
If there's one thing that can kill me, it's your love and care for me. It's too much for one person.
Hey, it's not too much. Okay? Alright, so you eat before going to work.
Where do I start, baby?
That other one. With salad or without? No, without. Salad. That's what get my head. Family, count our money. Let's see how well we did today.
Mama, today is a good day.
It is? How much?
8,000. 8,450.
8,000. Plus Hey!
Mama.
Today is really a good day. You know what that means? Next week, you're going back to school. I mean, you've missed school for 2 weeks. I don't know.
Mama, don't worry. Nkechi's notebook is there for me. It's really helping me. I haven't missed much.
I know.
As I start school now, I'll pick up.
You're too intelligent. That's a good one. But you know what we'll do now? Can you get them the money first?
Mama.
I will keep it. You will go inside now, refresh yourself, then rest. Later, you go to Nkechi's house.
I'll do that when I come back.
Okay.
Hey!
What?
Let me show you something.
Osu, you want to dance first? Hello, man. Okay, wait.
Let's try. Yeah, try. Do that.
Okay.
Mama, I'll come and take your money.
Okay, darling, mom.
I'm coming.
All right, don't stay out late, though. Hey, everybody, please. so. Let me listen to this one. Go, let me listen to this one. Oh shit! I did dance with face, so.
Honestly, I cannot wait to seal this deal with CIC Constructions.
Come on, bro. For crying out loud, the deal will pull through. Oh yes, it will pull through because I took my time, you know, did my findings, and plus our inside man. The deal is ours.
That's beautiful then. Yeah, I really cannot wait. 1 minute. Hello, Frank. Yeah, what's up? What? Are you serious? Man, that's really bad. Where is she now? Alright, man, you just have to calm down, okay? Calm down. I'll make out time by weekend to come see you and we talk this over. It's okay. Just calm down, okay? My friend, Frank.
Everything all right?
He just got his wife cheating. I mean, when will women stop cheating? Eh? These women are not to be trusted. It's cheating in their DNA. After all he has done for this girl, she still went ahead to cheat?
Please, my wife is an exception.
Bro, don't trust women.
No, don't you say that. My wife is an exception. All women do cheat, yeah, but my wife is an exception. See, my wife, apart from the fact that she's beautiful, she's caring, loving. You know, what about Del? She's, in fact, sometimes I give God the glory for the kind of gifts that he gave me. You see, she was packaged, designed, prepared, all for me.
You're so sweet.
That was amazing, baby. I wish you could do this every single day. Do you really have to leave? Yeah, you could.
It's okay.
To crown it all, her cooking skills is top notch. Don't go there. Don't go there.
I agree with her cooking skills, but you talk as if you got married to this girl, a virgin.
What are you trying to say?
You didn't get married to this girl, a virgin, did you?
Of course, I didn't get married to her virgin, but I can assure you that I am the only man in her life. Oh, yes?
Don't trust Eve. Don't trust Eve.
Talk of the angel, and the angel calls. Hello, baby. Yeah, how are you? Why are you not home? Okay, yeah, I have Tony here. He's here for dinner as usual.
I'm so sorry, baby. I just have to pick some few more things. I'll be back. What would you like to have for dinner?
Oh, baby, I'd love to have you.
Of course you will. Of course, but you need to eat first so you'll be able to gather enough strength to do the job expected of you.
Okay, whatever you're preparing, I'm game.
Okay then, I'll make you one of your favorites.
That's my goal.
Alright, so baby, just give me like 30 minutes to less than an hour. I'll be back home. Alright, let me just round up real quick.
Expecting you then. Love you. I'm blessed. I'm blessed. I'm blessed.
It's alright. No issues.
What are you doing?
What does it look like I am doing?
Oh, come on, babe. Let's go one more time.
My husband is back home, so I have to get home. I'll definitely let you know when we can see.
I mean, do you have to go like right immediately? Can't you spend like 5 more minutes?
You didn't hear me. My husband is at home, all right? I gotta go.
I need to run along now, yeah?
I don't understand.
I have a few things to put together.
Which one do you heard? I did that. I carry you come. You and I know that. See, you need to get a wife like my wife. Yes, before I got married, I used to have pimples like yours. But after I got married, see, fresh boy now.
Man, I don't trust this woman, and I think it's gonna be really difficult for me to get married.
No.
Until then, I continue eating at the canteen. Guys, see you later.
Oh, take 5.
5 after you don't have me. After you don't have me now. It's alright.
Alright, take care.
Alright, I'll give you a call later in the evening.
Alright. See you.
Yeah, let's do it. Tinko. You can do it, right? Let's do it. All work and no play make jacket. Oh. Boy, tinko. Arriba. Let's do it fast. Tinko. Arriba. You don't have to do it.
Sabi, what? Mama! Sabi's dying, oh! Hey! Run back, run, her mother! Run, water! Sabi! I told you to stop this girl from coming to this place. Now you have said it, I don't know how to attend to Onyakuku. Sabi! Sabi is dying. Where is she? Take me to your house. So. Let's get there. Sabi! Sabi! Hey!
Listen.
Oh,
I want to remember. I said, let me tell you. Shut up. There will be your last day in this house. You hear me? Next time. I'm talking you are shouting. You think I
Sabi? Sabi? Hi, Sabi. Open up, come on. How many times have I told you not to come to this place? Sabi, where's your inhaler? Yeah, inside. Let me get it. empty. Eh? Sabi, how many times have I told you to tell me when this cave in the work? Hey, Mr. Felix.
Mama, but I've told you never to allow it finish before you come.
Because Sabi did not tell me about my warning. Why you? Hurry up. Take this money. If it is not enough, God bless you. God bless you. Hey! Sabi, I'm on my way. Sabi,
Maggie, how long do you intend to keep this bag of sickness you call a child? Is it until she sends you to early grief?
This child is a child of destiny, not a child of evil.
Your problem is that you refuse to listen. All these years, you have spent all your money, all your money on this sickness. Yet, she's not getting better. Instead, she's causing more harm than good. Lekwenia, your leg, your waist are hurting you just because you had to run to buy inhaler for her. Okay, eh? Can't you see the damages she's causing?
It's okay.
Send this girl away before it's too late.
What nonsense is this? She's my only child, okay? Now tell me, which mother sends her child away because she's sick? Which mother does that?
You and I know that she is not your child. The earlier you heed to my advice and do the right thing, the better for you. Send this girl away now. Now!
If you are the Anya or the Imi, let us stop between you. Okay, what's your problem? I'm not sending her anywhere. If this is why you're here, just leave us. Let us be. Just go, please.
So bad. I know that is what you say, but it will not stop me from saying the truth. Go to your house. Before
nonsense. Sabi la rola, wa me vezena.
Hey, baby.
Who was that?
Dr. Steve. He said a friend of his who is a gynecologist will be coming into the country. He wants us to book an appointment to see him.
Haven't we tried enough?
Are we giving up already?
It's alright. Book an appointment with him for us to see him.
That's my girl. See, let us try this one time, okay? And now listen, with or without a child, I still love you regardless.
I love you too.
And I will butcher the word for you. We gotta run, okay?
Alright, baby.
Alright.
Have a great day.
Yeah.
Careful.
take it easy on yourself. I mean, it's all in the past now. You just have to let go.
It's easier said than done. You know, the more I try to heal after so many years, instead of getting healed, I get more obsessed and raged. Well, that's by the way. I'm glad the universe gave me a perfect dude as a husband.
Come on, Mabel. You know Philip is a very nice man. He deserves better, and you know it.
Cynthia, my current situation is really getting at me. I need to know what the problem is. You get any man, I beg, link me up.
Please, don't start. Please. It is time you stop this. I mean, this life is not good for you.
Can you just stop?
Stop it.
Stop the sermon. Please, stop it. I need to know where the problem is coming from. If it's my husband or if it's myself. You get man, or you not get man.
No. You're awake.
Yes, Mama.
How are you feeling?
And I feel so sad.
Sad what?
I can't do anything to assist you in the kitchen. I can't do any chores. I can't do anything. I feel so useless.
But God forbid. You are not useless and you would never be useless. Eh? God will heal you. I have faith in him. Oh?
When? Is it when I die?
Hey! Die. You will not die. Oh? God will heal you, I promise you. I believe so much in him.
Excuse me, ma'am. My name is Pastor Ken. I was robbed on my way to the neighboring village for preaching. Please, ma'am, can I have some money for transportation? So I can proceed for my journey.
So what do you I don't really have much. I'm just coming from the market. Mama, let me see what I have here. $450.
Yeah, it's enough.
It's enough.
This is more than enough, ma'am.
Well, no, why you? Okay, you can have it.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
It's okay.
Hey, ma, you don't have a child.
Just like I said, yes.
God will bless you with a child of destiny.
How can that be possible? My husband is already late. Besides, there's no way I can give birth now. I can't figure level.
Just have faith in God.
Okay.
For whatever he says, he must surely do it.
Amen. Yeah.
May God be with you.
And be with you.
May God
too.
bless you.
Bless you too, Pastor. Thank you.
Yeah.
are a child of destiny and greatness. I serve a living God, and I know that He would heal you. Just have faith. And I know you love things.
Yes.
Hey!
Hey! Which kind of dress is this one? Eh? Okay, Zobia. Who want to sell them? Which kind of dress are you wearing? What is this? What kind of dress are you wearing?
Check me out now. Check me out.
Where did you get this one from?
This is my new concept to upgrade our brand.
To upgrade? How? Explain to me what you mean.
Yes, I want us to upgrade our brand so that people will buy it from us. Yes.
I see.
So look.
Yeah?
I did a great job.
You did a great job. You did a great job. But it's what you intend to achieve by doing this, aside for...
Mama, I want people to laugh once they see me.
Okay.
You know, there's a saying that laughter brings healing to the bones. So, I want to use this medium to spread healing to people.
Ha! Mom, we move. But the music, because our customers will be waiting. Yes. Oh, by the way, where is your inhaler?
Oh, I forgot.
You don't forget, you know. I mean, our music. Oh, see no. Sabia ma una mwa wewe. Go there. Hey, Sabi, let's move. Anya pwa.
There is no way we are going to take that option.
Why?
No way.
No, why? There's absolutely nothing wrong with IVF or surrogacy. Absolutely nothing wrong.
There is everything wrong with it. There's no way I'm going to let another woman carry and give birth to my children. I will carry my children and I will give birth to my children myself.
My love, I understand. But this right here is the only option for us to bear children.
Philip, I beg to disagree with you. God is still on the throne and he is still in the business of answering prayers. All we need to do is just trust him. At the right time, God will give us our own children.
When? When? When is the right time? When is the right time?
Baby, look at me. God will definitely give us children. I will carry my children and give birth to beautiful and handsome kids just like you and I. Please, all of this will happen in his time. Please, my love.
It's alright then. Come and make love to me. Take me to cloud 9.
Baby, take it easy. What? Why?
Baby, I'm in the mood. I'm on fire.
Baby, you...
Take me there.
Baby, you have to take it easy. My goodness. What's going... Baby, what's come on you?
Hey, Sabiunwa. Hey. Me watching you dance revives my body and soul. Hey, Jesus. Hey. Take your money.
Madam, what time you are usual?
Don't worry about it, because I ain't change immediately. Hey, Jesus. What will we do with the
I can do anything for you. I can clean, wash, do anything, please.
Well, Sabi, your story is quite a pathetic one, and I'll do everything and anything to help you.
Thank you, sir. But my clothes is in one uncompleted building. I don't know how we can go there and get it.
Don't worry about the clothes, okay? I'll replace them. As far as they are replaceable, I'll definitely replace them.
Thank you, sir.
Don't worry.